Mustard kind of feels like one of those condiments that seems really fancy and too complicated to make at home. Honestly, it's mostly just seeds, water, vinegar, and patience. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make mustard in minutes, but then, wait around for a bit because you want it to be optimal taste. I'll explain that in a second, stick around. Welcome to Condiment Week here at PB with Jay. In a previous video we did yesterday, I showed you how to make ketchup. Later on this week, I'm gonna show you how to make barbecue sauce, relish, as well as an oil-free mayonnaise. But today we are focusing on the soft pretzel's best friend, mustard. I actually first started making this mustard when I saw a video that Derek Semnit posted years ago. So I'm co-opting a fair amount of his stuff here. I will put the link to his original video in the description down below. And shout out and lots of love to Derek. So here's the thing about the mustard is it shifts and changes based on your preference for heat, right? If you are of the variety of people who just wants like a plain regular mustard, that's great. What you're gonna wanna use is pure yellow mustard seeds. If you like things a little bit spicier, you can put some of those black mustard seeds in as well. You'll see them in the grocery store in the aisle where they keep all the spices. They'll have yellow mustard seeds and black mustard seeds. Black mustard seeds are far spicier. And I'm gonna be honest here, making mustard might take a little bit of trial and error on your part just to get a sense of how you like it. But the timing is incredibly important. Here's what we're gonna do. Essentially, we're just gonna take our mustard seeds and our water and we're gonna blend them together and then we're gonna let them sit. Here's the cool thing. This is gonna start creating a chain reaction inside of it. I don't know all the specific sciencey, nerdy stuff, but it's going to start making the flavor just by sitting there. And the longer you let it sit, the spicier it gets. I'm gonna leave mine for 5 minutes. Your first time out, it's up to you. I would start with 5 minutes and see how you like it when all is said and done. I probably wouldn't go more than 10 minutes. And again, if you want a spicier mustard, throw some black mustard seeds in there. Now at that 5 minute mark or whatever time you wanna stop the spicy process, this is where you're gonna put your apple cider vinegar inside, and that is going to chemically stop the mustard seed and the water reacting to each other, and it's gonna kind of lock in the temperature from there on out. This is where, if you want, you could put in like a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And if you wanna make like a honey mustard, you could mix in some actual honey if that's your vibe, or you could just put in some date paste or some maple syrup. And then you got like a nice little Dijon honey mustard. You're gonna be tempted to use this right away. I promise you, if you let it sit in your fridge overnight till the next day, it's gonna be twice as good because I just find when you first make it, it's a little bit bitter. So that's where that last ingredient of patience comes in. Trust me, put it in your fridge, let it sit overnight, you're gonna be a happier person. Let me know in the comments down below how spicy you like your mustard, and stick around till later on in this week where I show you all these other recipes that we are making. If you're watching this long after the fact, those videos are probably already up on the channel. And at the end of the week, I am making a compilation where I show you how to make all of these recipes, and I'm also gonna rank them for how expensive they are, how easy to make they are, and if it's the kind of thing that I would actually go to the effort of making all the time to keep in my fridge. Let us know in the comments down below who you are, where you're watching from, and how spicy do you like your mustard? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button to let YouTube know to share with other people, subscribe for more videos like this, and if you're still here, YouTube's got this video all queued up for you to watch next. Thanks.